Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. A new huge alliance that has the potential to propel Ripple to $8 or $10. To stay up to date on all the newest happenings with XRP and cryptocurrency, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Just hit the like button if you're an XRP bull and would want to see more videos like these. I can tell that you like this material because of that. Having said that, let's examine the market. As we start a new week in the UK, the market is looking positive, and XRP is following the same pattern of 60 to 48. We can see that Standard Chartered-backed Zodiac Custody has joined the Ripple on Mexico's global crypto storage network. The current price is up, but the volume is impressive, $1 billion after only one weekend. With a market cap of $33.6 billion, we can jump right into the news release. Standard Chartered is the main point at hand. To better manage the storage and settlement of digital assets for institutions globally, Zodiac Custody, a cryptocurrency storage provider supported by Standard Chartered, has joined Ripple on the Custody Specialist Medicals Network. If you're wondering what the 85,000 people who work for this enormous financial institution, which is collaborating with Mexico, thought on Monday, the company clarified that they were following the West Standard Chartered in their private banking plans. Please wait a moment before placing your bid. To what end is Mexico a country? When the news broke in May that Ripple, a prominent enterprise cryptocurrency, was buying out custody provider Medical for $250 million, I made a video gushing about how brilliant a move this was. Now we know that it can simply be taken aboard. Next, we have the regular chart. In my opinion, this is all about being in position for the market to move, and Ripple has been absolutely killing it at that. Because of their combined strengths, a market cap of $10 trillion by 2030 is not out of the question. Nevertheless, according to Julian Saya, CEO of Zodiac Custody, various networks will emerge as the infrastructure component eventually adapts to mimic traditional finance. Some examples are the self-custody off-exchange system known as Fireblocks and the Copper Clear Loop systems, which recently partnered with the Bitcoin's Gone network. Since providing global sub-custody banking is the ultimate goal of connecting with the Medicals network, Zodiac provides its own interchain network. When an institution enters into a custody contract to hold assets on its behalf, this is known as a purless. After speaking with CoinDesk, I came to the conclusion that the interconnected systems used by these custodians constitute the third generation of cryptocurrency custody. An example of a client who may desire assets in the UK is a custodian based in Brazil, he explained. Plus, they aren't physically present in the UK at the moment, so they may rely on us to act as their sub-custodian and obtain regulatory approval. In addition, I believe that the various existing networks will play a crucial role in connecting custodians to one another and, more importantly, to exchanges and venues in a way that is compliant. Compliance and their worldwide payment structure are two major issues. Keep in mind that the story is being bolstered by other discoveries regarding the upwhole relationship with Ripple and enormous quantities of liquidity, totaling billions of dollars. And that's excellent news, in my opinion. Also, another financial institution is joining Ripple. The lawsuit is ongoing, so we should hear back from the judge in the next 6 months with some answers. But once again, all they're doing is laying the groundwork for monetary movement. The fact that banks and other financial organizations will be limited to using just Ripple XRP is crucial, in my opinion. This is why we see it, in my opinion. I believe it's an intriguing conversation, but you know what? My opinion on price forecasts in 2020, $8 seems like a reasonable goal for XRP, according to GBT. Bitcoin has just passed $40,000 in the past few hours, so that's all for now. Given our current efforts to connect with financial institutions and demonstrate our liquidity, I believe that $8 and XRP, when spread out over the next 12 months, are both very feasible and, in fact, may be discounted. This is because we can facilitate cross-border payments all across the globe. It is also helpful to merely get the name out there. Therefore, I believe this is very encouraging news for Ripple, and I anticipate that they will soon form some major alliances. Standard Chart Anywhere with RIP could also be involved. and we'll have to wait and watch how that develops. ChartGPT, in their opinion, will still control the SEC front in the end, but a price range of $8 is certainly possible. In light of this, how does it appear on the charts at this moment? We covered this in our last video, but the chart is currently on a healthy rising trend, as you can see above. I mentioned in my last video that if we saw this red line pushed through, we would get some really major price movement, and we have kind of gotten it since we broke the 200 a while back. This is the starting point from where we may observe the break. All the way up, we do in fact have a rather robust movement. Earlier on, we reached a peak in the high 60s. Great move for Ripple, but how will it play out down the road? Once again, Bitcoin's breakthrough above 40 KET is a major market milestone that is unquestionably boosting the overall positive trend. It appears like XRP will keep heading up in the same vein now. There will likely be further price action in the coming week, with the possibility of prices reaching local highs in the 64 to 66 range. Once again, this might see a substantial upward movement, as we have broken that downward trend that has been present, and we have also broken it on the shorter timeframe of the 20-day exponential moving average. So, I'm taking a bullish stance on everything. Big collaborations are on the horizon, and we'll do our best to keep you posted as things progress. To stay up to date on all the latest happenings in the cryptocurrency market, simply hit the subscribe button. See you later, bye.